Welcome back, guys. Today we're exploring 50 Amazon cleaning gadgets that will make your life a whole lot easier. From innovative tools to time-saving solutions, these products are all about simplifying your cleaning routine. As usual, links to all the products are in the description below, so you can grab your favorites. Upgrade your cat's litter box with this self-cleaning model featuring a large 95L capacity and a 15L waste bin that supports up to 15 days of use. Ideal for single or multiple cats, it works with any type of litter and includes advanced odor control to keep your home fresh. With app control and a safety sensor, it ensures convenience and peace of mind, making pet care effortless for all ages. Revitalize your bedding with this powerful 500-watt vacuum cleaner, boasting 13 kilopascal suction and a rotating brush that tackles dust and pet hair effortlessly. Equipped with UV and ultrasonic technology, it ensures thorough sanitization, while its smart dust sensor provides real-time cleaning status. The 130 degrees Fahrenheit heating function adds an extra layer of cleanliness, perfect for households with pets. With a 16-foot cord, enjoy convenient and durable cleaning across larger areas. Transform your laundry routine with this retractable clothesline, perfect for both indoor and outdoor use. It extends up to 13.9 feet and supports up to 40 pounds, making it ideal for drying towels, bed sheets, and more. Its space-saving design allows for easy retraction and storage, while its simple installation ensures a quick setup. Save money and keep your clothes in top condition with this durable and versatile drying solution. This is a window cleaner robot that makes keeping your windows spotless almost effortless. It adjusts its suction power based on how dirty your windows are, so you get a thorough clean without worrying about scratches. With its dual spray system and 80 milliliter water tank, it covers a wide area for both wet and dry cleaning. The AI navigation ensures it follows a smart cleaning path and avoids obstacles, while the one-key operation with voice prompts makes it user-friendly. It works on vertical and smooth surfaces from about 61 centimeters to 4.5 meters high, so it's versatile for various window heights. This is a robot mop designed to make cleaning your floors effortless and quiet. It operates at a low noise level of 43 decibels, so it won't disrupt your day. The no-wheel design and rotating mop disc help tackle even tough dirt, while the battery provides up to 120 minutes of cleaning time. With smart sensors to navigate safely and a 300 milliliter water tank that keeps the mops damp, it covers edges and corners efficiently. You can control it easily with a remote, choosing from 7 cleaning modes. This is a robot vacuum that offers a comprehensive cleaning solution for your home. It combines a powerful robot vacuum with a handheld unit, both managed from a single docking station that handles dust collection, mop washing, and more. With its impressive suction power and advanced edge mopping technology, it ensures thorough cleaning on all surfaces. Additionally, it features smart navigation and can be controlled via voice commands or various smart devices for added convenience. Efficiently tackle dust and pet hair with this compact cordless vacuum. Its powerful suction and sleek design make it perfect for quick cleanups on various surfaces like your car, sofa, and carpets. Lightweight and easy to maneuver, it offers the convenience of cordless operation and stylish performance. Available in multiple colors, it combines practicality with a touch of elegance. Say goodbye to pesky pet hair with this portable gel-based lint roller. Its compact size and lightweight design make it perfect for on-the-go use. Crafted from durable diatomite, it effortlessly tackles hair and crumbs from various surfaces. Simply rinse to clean and reuse, no need for paper refill. Stylish and efficient, it's a must-have for a tidy wardrobe and home. This is a smart stick vacuum cleaner featuring a dust removal hub and auto-empty capabilities. It includes a large 2.5-liter dust bag that can hold dust for up to 90 days, reducing the need for frequent emptying. The vacuum comes with 2 brush heads, one for carpets and another for hard floors, both designed to handle various types of debris. Its advanced 5-layer filtration system captures up to 99.9% of fine dust, while blue LED lights help illuminate and detect dust in dim areas. Plus, it comes with up to 65 minutes of runtime and powerful suction. This is a touchscreen screen cleaner kit designed for easy and effective cleaning. It comes with a compact spray and a microfiber cloth, perfect for cleaning screens on phones, tablets, and monitors. Simply spray the solution on your screen, then wipe it clean with the cloth. The microfiber cloth can be rinsed and reused, making it both practical and eco-friendly. Its small size makes it convenient to carry and use anywhere. Simplify your cleaning routine with this all-in-one system, featuring a hands-free wringer and splash guard to keep your space clean and dry. The advanced microfiber mop head captures dirt and grime effectively, even in hard-to-reach corners and under furniture. With a telescopic handle extending up to 48 inches, you can mop comfortably without bending over. Machine washable and reusable, the mop head lasts up to 3 months, offering efficient and chemical-free cleaning for all hard floors. This advanced robot mop is designed to clean multiple rooms efficiently. It features precision jet spray to tackle tough messes and grime, along with a maximized edge design for comprehensive coverage. The mop utilizes iAdapt 3.0 navigation with V-Slam technology for smart mapping and precise cleaning paths. It automatically recharges and resumes cleaning, and can be controlled via an app or voice commands through Alexa or Google Assistant. Ideal for hardwood, tile, and stone floors, it ensures a thorough and hands-free cleaning experience. This is a handheld steam cleaner with a generous 450 milliliters water tank, allowing for extended cleaning sessions. It heats up quickly in 3 to 5 minutes and produces powerful steam at 230 degrees Fahrenheit for up to 12 minutes. Ideal for cleaning hard-to-reach areas like floor gaps, grout, and fabric, it comes with 11 different accessories, including nylon brushes for various tasks. The cleaner uses only water, avoiding chemicals for a safe and natural clean. This is a glass rinser designed to make cleaning your drinkware effortless. It features a 360 degrees rotating water flow with 9 powerful jets that thoroughly rinse cups in seconds, ensuring no residue is left behind. The rinser accommodates a wide range of cup sizes, from wine glasses to baby bottles, making it versatile for all your needs. Made from durable stainless steel, it includes a check valve for water protection and has a rugged design that prevents slipping during use. Keep your tech devices and car interior spotless with this universal cleaning gel. It's perfect for reaching those hard-to-clean areas like keyboard crevices, car vents, and other electronics. Made from natural lemon-scented gel, it effectively picks up dust and debris without leaving a sticky residue. Reusable until it turns dark, this cleaning gel is both practical and eco-friendly. It's an essential tool for maintaining a dust-free environment in your home, office, or vehicle. Simplify your grill maintenance with this innovative automatic cleaner. Designed for effortless, hands-free cleaning, it features durable nylon brushes that effectively remove grease and grime from your BBQ grill. Just set it up and let the robot do the work for you. It includes a convenient carry case for easy storage and transport, making it a practical addition to any grill enthusiast's toolkit. Enjoy hassle-free grilling with this smart cleaning solution. This is a keyboard cleaner kit that provides everything you need for a thorough clean of your electronics. It includes a variety of tools like a retractable brush, keycap puller, and multiple cloths for different cleaning tasks. The kit effectively removes dust and debris from keyboards, screens, and other gadgets. The compact design makes it easy to store and carry, so you can keep it handy at home, in the car, or in your bag. This is a pool robot that offers thorough cleaning for your pool with its 5-in-1 capabilities. It cleans the floor, walls, waterline, and even the surface thanks to its innovative dual propeller design. The automatic clarifying technology helps keep your pool water clear by removing dirt and oils. With its smart return feature, it automatically surfaces and parks itself, making maintenance easy. This is a 2-in-1 dish soap dispenser designed to simplify dishwashing. It features a sponge tray that also serves as a soap dispenser, making it more convenient to clean dishes. With a capacity of 8.5 fluid ounces, it holds a generous amount of dish soap and needs less frequent refilling. Its leak-free design prevents spills and makes it easy to manage excess water. Each pump dispenses a fixed amount of soap, helping to reduce waste. This is a portable carpet and upholstery cleaner designed to tackle tough stains and spots. It features a large 50.7-ounce clean water tank and a 27-ounce dirty water tank for longer cleaning sessions without interruptions. With a 5.5-foot hose and 16-foot cord, you can easily reach carpets, upholstery, and hard-to-reach areas. The cleaner uses powerful spray and suction to handle everything from pet accidents to daily spills. Plus, it leaves your space smelling fresh with its included cleaning solution. This is a cordless vacuum for cars that combines multiple functions, making it great for more than just cleaning. It comes with different nozzles for vacuuming tight spaces, inflating items like yoga balls, and even vacuum sealing storage bags. With powerful suction options, it easily picks up dust, sand, and debris. Weighing just 1 pound, it's lightweight and easy to carry, perfect for travel or on-the-go cleaning. The vacuum has a decent runtime, charges via USB, and features a larger dust cup for less frequent emptying. Revitalize your washing machine with these powerful cleaning tablets. Designed for both front and top load washers, including HE models, they tackle grime and odors deep inside your machine. Each tablet works on essential components like the pump, valve, tub, and drum, ensuring a thorough clean. Easy to use and effective, this cleaner helps maintain peak performance and freshness in your washer. This is a soap dispensing palm brush that makes dishwashing more convenient. With just a light push of a button, it releases soap, and its durable nylon bristles handle tough, baked-on food without damaging non-stick cookware. The brush comes with a holder that catches water drips and includes a removable drip tray with a built-in pour spout. This is a microfiber wash mitt designed to clean your vehicle gently while effectively tackling dirt. Made from a soft blended microfiber, it prevents scratches and holds onto dirt deep within its fibers. Its plush design absorbs plenty of water and soap, creating thick suds for a thorough wash. You can easily wash large areas of cars, trucks, or SUVs without worrying about damaging the paint. The mitt's unique fibers act like Velcro, trapping grime and ensuring a scratch-free cleaning experience. Upgrade your cleaning routine with this high-performance electric air duster. With a powerful 120,000 revolutions per minute motor and 3 adjustable speeds, it efficiently clears dust and debris from keyboards, electronics, and more. Replacing disposable cans, this eco-friendly duster features a 7,600 mAh battery for up to 40 minutes of use and USB-C fast charging. Compact and lightweight, it's perfect for home, office, or on-the-go cleaning tasks. Tackle any mess with this powerful wet-dry vacuum. Equipped with a robust 4GP motor, it offers strong suction for both wet spills and dry debris. The 6-gallon capacity means fewer trips to empty the tank, while the 16-foot reach and versatile attachments make cleaning large areas and tight spots effortless. Its durable design and easy maneuverability make it a reliable choice for workshops, garages, and home use. Upgrade your sink with this silicone strainer designed for effortless cleaning. The flexible silicone material inverts for easy emptying and resists stains, while its underside won't scratch your sink. Trap debris efficiently and maintain a spotless kitchen. Plus, it's dishwasher safe for added convenience. This is a dish brush with a built-in soap dispenser that makes cleaning dishes easier. You can release soap with a press of a button, saving on detergent and making the process more efficient. The nylon bristles are tough on stains, but gentle enough to avoid scratching surfaces. It even comes with a scraper on the back for handling tougher spots on dishes or sinks. When you're done, you can hang it up using the loop for easy storage. This is a baseboard cleaner that makes tackling those hard-to-reach areas easier. It comes with replaceable pads, allowing you to switch between microfiber and chenille depending on your cleaning needs. The flexible head design helps you clean baseboards and corners without much hassle. Its 360-degree swivel feature is great for reaching tricky spots, especially if you want to avoid bending. The extendable handle lets you adjust the length so you can clean without straining your back. This is a multi-function cleaning pen designed for easy and efficient cleaning of your devices. The 3-in-1 kit includes a flocking sponge, soft brush, and metal pen tip, allowing you to tackle dust and stubborn dirt effectively. Its simple design features a smooth up and down button for easy switching between cleaning tools. While perfect for headphones, it's also suitable for cleaning phones, cameras, and other gadgets. Keep your bike in top shape with this versatile cleaning kit. It includes everything needed for a thorough clean: a chain scrubber, tire scrubber, sprocket brushes, and more. Designed for all types of bikes, from mountain to BMX, these brushes tackle dirt in every nook and cranny. Simple to use, it makes bike maintenance efficient and effective, ensuring your ride stays pristine and performance ready. Achieve streak-free, spotless windows with this innovative magnetic cleaner. Designed for single-glazed windows 0.1 to 0.3 inches thick, it features a secure 3M anti-fall rope and dual-sided cleaning for efficiency. Equipped with ultra-soft microfiber cloths, it's perfect for reaching high or tricky spots. Ensure proper fit by measuring your windows before purchase. For best results, follow the included video instructions. Struggling to tackle stubborn stains and grime? This multi-purpose cleanser is your new best friend. With its powerful yet gentle formula, it clings to surfaces to wipe out rust, tarnish, and stains, leaving a brilliant shine behind. Ideal for everything from stainless steel to porcelain, it makes cleaning effortless and effective. Transform your cleaning routine with ease. This is a Scrub Daddy with temperature-controlled foam. In cold water, the foam is firm for tough scrubbing, while in warm water, it softens for light cleaning. It's safe for use on a variety of surfaces, including glass, stainless steel, and non-stick coatings without scratching. The sponge is designed to resist odors and stains for up to 8 weeks with proper care. Its flexibility allows for efficient cleaning of dishes, utensils, furniture, and more. This under-counter vacuum offers robust suction, exceeding the power of typical handheld models. Its slim profile fits seamlessly under kitchen cabinets. The system features reusable bags, eliminating the need for constant replacements. Installation is quick and easy, requiring just 30 minutes with the provided templates. For added flexibility, an optional expandable hose and accessory kit are sold separately. Transform your carpet cleaning routine with this efficient power brush cleaner. Its 4-row deep reach brush lifts dirt and stains that vacuums miss, perfect for high traffic areas and pet messes. The lightweight compact design makes maneuvering easy, while the 2-tank system ensures you're always using clean water. With its removable nozzle and support for pet rescue efforts, this cleaner combines performance with purpose. Transform your drill into a powerful cleaning tool with this 6-piece brush attachment set. Designed to tackle tough grime on various surfaces like grout, tile, tubs, and car interiors, the set includes 5 brush shapes for versatile cleaning. The extended reach attachment helps you access tight spots with ease, while the durable nylon bristles ensure a thorough scrub without scratching surfaces. Ideal for both indoor and outdoor use, these brushes make deep cleaning faster and more efficient, leaving your home or car spotless. This is a cutlery cleaner designed to safely clean knives while protecting your fingers from sharp blades. It comes with suction cup mounts that can be attached to walls, tiles, sinks, and other surfaces for easy access. You can use it to clean various utensils like forks, spoons, and even fresh vegetables. Made from dishwasher-safe plastic, it can be conveniently placed on the top rack for cleaning. This portable dog paw washer is designed for medium-sized dogs with a 6-inch height and 4-inch width. Simply add water, insert the paw, twist, and wipe clean. Gentle silicone bristles remove dirt and mud while keeping the mess contained. Ideal for post-walk cleanups, it's a must-have for maintaining a clean home after outdoor adventures.